Do you know what that is? Let me talk about this a bit later. Germany is the land of great thinkers and inventors. In the region where we live and work, Benz and Gottlieb Daimler invented the motor car. IHD has been founded by a similar genius inventor, Karl-Heinz Schmall. You may know him, because over the last 40 years he has significantly influenced the plasma and laser cutting industry. One example is the capacitive height sensing for Oxyfuel cutting. Do you use a ring electrode for your height sensing, for example of this size? Look at our solution, a small ring electrode together with our height control systems. And we still improve it for your success. Ask me, I understand your needs.